Hi, my name is Rachel. Welcome to FPL Kitchen, brought to you by the Framingham Public Library. Today we are making molasses cookies. Yay! So your first step is to preheat your oven, and we're going to set it to 350 on bake. Here are all our ingredients laid out. The first thing you want to do is take a medium mixing bowl, and you're going to cream your butter, your unsalted melted butter, with your sugar. It's probably going to take about 3 minutes for all of it to be put together. Yeah. So you want your butter and sugar mixture to kind of look like this, so it kind of looks like cream a little bit. Once your sugar and butter is together, you can add your 2 eggs, vanilla, and molasses. A little crunchy egg. So your eggs, your vanilla, and then your molasses is going to be pretty sticky. So I brought a spoon along just to make sure I get every last drop. Alright, and then you're going to mix all of that together, and the dark color is supposed to come out of it. That's what gives your cookies their brown molasses color. So it looks like this. Alright, once this is mixed together, you're going to put this aside. You're going to take a smaller bowl, and you're going to put all your dry ingredients together. So that's my flour, salt, and baking soda. And the recipe calls for pumpkin pie spice, but I'm using gingerbread spice because I just like the gingery flavor better. So you're going to mix that together, and you're just going to fluff it together a bit, just so it's just incorporated. So once your dry ingredients are all together, you're going to add your sugar molasses mixture to your dry ingredients. You're going to mix together. This could get a little messy, so take your time folding the batter in together. Okay. At this point, I'm going to start using my hands to mix it together. The batter has gotten pretty dry, so you just need to, sometimes you need to get in there with your hands and work it. Alright, and now, as you can see, batter's starting to hold together more. Your next step is to roll these into little balls, or whatever size you want your cookies to be. And I have a separate bowl of sugar. I'm going to roll these little balls into the sugar before I bake them. Alright, next we have our baking tray lined with parchment paper. And then we're going to take our batter and roll them into little balls, I would say around like an inch or so. And then I have my sugar in a bowl already. I'm going to roll it around in the sugar. Place it on my parchment paper, give it a little smush down. And then take my next ball and probably put it about 1 inch away from the other one so it has room to bake and spread. So I'm just rolling it into little balls, putting it in the palm of my hand, kind of like a meatball. And then roll it in sugar, about 1 inch away from the first one, and then give it a little pat down. And you want to continue that until your baking sheet is filled. Alrighty, so now I have all my cookies lined up, and I'm going to put them right in the oven. Alrighty, it's been about 8 minutes. I'm going to take them out of the oven. They smell good. Alrighty, I took them out of the oven, and we're going to let them cool for about 5 minutes and before you plate. And then while you're waiting for them to cool, you can start on your next batch. Alright, so we had them into the oven around 8 minutes. I let them cool for about 5. They smell great. They look good. So let's take a little taste test. Ooh. wow. They're crunchy on the outside. And inside it's like, it's chewy. All right. Thanks for watching. See you next time.